Hey, what is up guys, Shaz here back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do a special effect. This effect you could use as a transition. Some people use it to unbox their boxes. They'll usually move their hands through the shot and the box will be opened, or you could use this as a walk by transition if you shoot a person walking by. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. As always, empty project and import a clip that has your moving hands. Go to media browser, get the file you needed. I have taken Ash Taylor's clip because my clip didn't actually quite work out, so I'm using his clip. And you have to animate it with a solid color. When the hand is moving, you have to keyframe it by frame and just do it. It's like whenever the hand is moving, you have to move it, and that's it. I have completed keyframing this moving part. Now we have to fill the other area of the screen with the same color, or it will look a bit odd. So let's do that. This part is full covered. This part, yes, now here. This is the starting. Where is the starting? We could start from here. Let's rotate this, make it vertical. Where did it went? Yes. Yes, come on. Make it vertical. And here we go. You're gonna need to animate this. Obvious. I think that's it. So we have our clip here, and this will move completely with the frame. I'm going to quickly export this video, export this in the highest resolution possible, because you're always gonna need to chroma key it. The higher the better. And yes, this has been done. Now let's go to empty project. I have done that. Now go and export the photo as I told. Capture. I'm gonna extend it. I'm gonna layer. Click on the media and the video that we have imported. Sorry, exported. Click on full screen. If you just play it, you can see that. Yes, here we go. Now chroma key. Mostly it will select the wrong color for sure. This backtick and make it the red that we needed, and that's it. So if you just play it, yes, I think that's pretty okay. Now for that small bulging here and there where the clips comes, you can put that small bars, 2.35 cinema bars I guess, or that 21:9 ratio cinema bars. I have them. I'm gonna just layer them up so it comes nice and good. Here we go. Oh sorry, I meant to put in layers. There we go. Split screen, full screen. That's much better. And that's it guys. And the second way, if you're recording your own clip, record the part from below your palm, the elbow to that your palm, the bone side, because that is straight, and you can easily do the chroma key, and you don't need to go to the handwriting, and it will be a little bit messy, and it will leave some artifacts after chroma keying. That's why I didn't show it first. Anyway, I'm going to show it by the clip that I recorded. That's going to be empty project, media browser. I have tried to do it, but it didn't just perfectly work out. Here we have the clip. Whoop. This is a clip where I put my hands through this thing, That's it. That's very tense. Now let's delete this part and find an empty part, starting part. From here, I guess. Yes, now we could trim to the left of playhead and zoom in. Whoop. Now let us just play it and check it. Yes, we can even copy in from here. Voila. Now you have to zoom in and find the area where your hands come into the screen at the first frame. Yes, here we go. And now layer, handwriting, and select the pencil tool. That's a bit more harder. So green, which is in green, that's a bit of blue in that small effect. Now make it big and move a little bit, create a new layer, handwriting, do the same. You cannot animate, you can animate, but how will you animate this small parts by part? Here we are. Now again, if you display it, it will be flat. Yes, that's it. Now we can go and export this as the previous video. Okay, now go and empty project and the footage that's come after unboxing the phone. I have a capture of it, as I didn't know. Well, I have a small video of it. This will work just fine. Layer media and layer the video. Click on split screen and chroma key green color, as I have done green here. Now that should work just fine. This method isn't that efficient as the older method because sometimes it leaves a small residue. If you just pause it in some places, you could see the residue, but mostly it works just fine. And there was a problem with my keying, as you can see here, it leaves a residue here. Also I just missed some part and completely went overboard it, so make sure you do it in a nice smooth way. So I think that's it guys, so thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.